So as we mentioned in the previous video, that's the another case with the same thing. Customer got fooled with this writing down lifetime fluid. So there's no such as lifetime fluid for transmissions, engines, transfer case, any component running fluids on your car is none of them are lifetime. So this got failure. For a couple of grands to put it in this beautiful Range Rover TD6 2016, which gonna cost a lot of money. But if you guys just do that transfer fluid or transmission fluid on time, which is somewhere from 80 to 100 clicks, it's not gonna cost you more than $1,000 with pan. So the pan by itself is $400 and $350 somewhere around is the fluids for this thing with the all complete service of this. But if you want to buy this, it's more than 10 grand for the brand new unit. So it's good every time to change the fluid on time. And not only in Range Rover, this ZF transmission comes in multiple cars, BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, Mercedes C300. It comes in a Dodge Charger, Dodge Challenger, Ford Mustang, Chrysler 300. Comes in a Dodge Grand Cherokee. There's multiple cars. This transmission comes in from 2010 to 2025. Even the 2025 had third generation ZF transmissions, as we discussed in the last video with the newer pans. They are a little wide with a dual filter inside. This one have a single filter. So in order to save your transmissions, especially the ZF ones, they are most expensive ones. Do your fluid changes on time to save your money on replacing the whole unit. On to the next car. All right, guys, so I just want to share something. Beware from Facebook market scammers, because these days, a lot of random unknown people, they're taking our shop names, especially from local London and nearby areas before they're selling the car. They insure the buyer, they got fixed everything from us, which is not sure capable because you need to call us before you make a purchase. We got the second complaint in last 3 months. So a lot of curbsider on Facebook market try to sell the car by using our name. So if somebody says they fixed their car from America Auto, you need to give us a call before you're going to make that purchase. Same thing happened today with one of our new customer. They bought a car. They gave the cash information, everything about money transaction. And after that, the customer recommend, oh, we fix everything from America Auto. And you can just bring the car over there and they'll do the safety for you guys because car have no problems. So when the car comes to our shop, we see the car. Our records don't have the car. So I don't know how people trust on the scammers. So beware when you're buying a car. You can call us at 647-708-1300. You can book your appointment to just double check on the repairs on the car which you are purchasing. Do not get scammed. I repeat, do not get scammed for those people who try to scam on the Facebook market or other places. Local. On to the next car. So we got this beautiful 2012 BMW X1. It's a N20 motor here. So this customer came in with one of our videos saying like, do not jump your cars. So this customer, they got our video flowing in the reels on Instagram and they towed this car. So this car belongs to somewhere from near to Montreal and they are here for a college and they towed the car right here and the battery was frozen when it comes here. And we check it out, it's 2022's battery, almost 4 years old and frozen real bad because this car was sitting for a long time. And the weather go crazy from last 2 weeks. So when we check it out, the battery have a problem. There's another problem because we did the free diagnostic once we got any services, oil change, anything. So while we was replacing the battery on this one, what we check here is the oil filter housing. That's a N20. And you know, it's a pretty notorious for the oil filter housing and wall cover leak on this one. These two problems are major on this one, but we already inspect the belt. As I told you, if you own any of the BMW from 2012 to 2017, have an N20 motor, there is the cap for engine oil take it apart, and you only have to do it like this and put your finger right here. You will have access on the chain, and you can touch the chain. If the chain have a play, that means your engine need a new chain. We check this car. This car is perfectly fine. It doesn't need any chain work on this one. Only thing it needs is 4x4 services, which we're already going to recommend customer. And if you guys do have any of the similar BMWs, have the same problem, you can just give us a call, book your appointment. On to the next car. Alright guys, so we are going to replace the timing belt on this beautiful 2-liter engine. That's a VW 2015. And this customer came in with a CR videos on social media, and they want us to make an inspection because they just bought this car and it's something close to 300 clicks on this one. And customer was doubtful about the timing belt on this one. So when we see it's almost cracked and anytime can break down, you see this lining, and that's the new one right now. We are going to replace it with the OEM, not only the timing belt, we are also going to replace the tensioner, idler pulley, and the water pump when we dig it out. So all this spotted thing, these are the coolant leak, which was a future repair on this car. And there's no additional labor to do this while we're doing the timing belt on this one. So if you guys do have any of the timing engines, VWs, Range Rovers, any of other Audis, you can give us a call. We can help you out with the repair that. It almost takes about a day to do that thing, but it gives your engine another life for 150 clicks. So right now it sits somewhere around 300. So once this belt and everything on this side is going to be done, it's good for another 450. Before 450, it's healthy for engine timing belt, water pump, tensioner, idler pulley. So if you guys do have the same VWs, Audis, feel free to give us a call, book your appointment. On to the next car. The engine is ripped apart. You see that timing chain, guys, right here. And this is broken. Let me show you this one. So the reason this thing comes up here, this was broken inside and the bolt was also weared out from inside. So these are the guides for the chain. And the left side guide was broken. It's a V8 engine. It's a chain base, 3 chains in the front running. 2 chains have a play for 3 gears from top of the cams. So that much play this engine have. Luckily, this engine survives, but it was a real bad knocks. So we ordered everything from Land Rover, and a couple of things we got in the stock, and a couple of we're gonna get it tomorrow. So after that, we're going to start making a rebuild on this one, and we'll show you probably in a next video once it's gonna be ready. I think so. It's gonna be ready in probably next midweek, because one of the tensioner, which is a common failure on V8 supercharge, is still pending due to the bad weather in Ontario. So we're just waiting for that one part, and other one we're going to start wrapping up this car, because you see the mess we have in the back is just off this Range Rover. So if your Range Rover hits 250 or close to 250, be ready for this expense. The guides are common failure on V8 supercharged Land Rovers, Jaguars. So if you guys do have any similar kilometers and you want to fix on your car, book appointment with us, give us a call. We'll happy to help you out. On to the next car. All right, so finally we got this 2022 Mazda CX-5. It came up with a new thing, weird thing. So when the customer was complaining about when they sit in the car, they have a beep sound while idling, not even driving. So the beep sound was for a seat belt, and they want to bypass that one. Just to let you know, it's not going to affect anything on that one. It's just going to get rid of that weird sound coming from the car. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to bypass the sound system, but airbags and everything works normally the way it is. But the customer was bothered if he was sitting in the morning or driving it or just starting it with a remote, it was beeping while there's no belt, standing car. So that's what we're going to bypass this thing. If you guys do want any of the electrical customization on your car, you can book your appointment with America Auto. Thank you for watching our beautiful videos. Stay tuned, subscribe, press bell icon. Thanks.